In this video, we'll cover how to embed an Echo 360 video into your Blackboard course. First, navigate to the Content view in your Blackboard course. Click the plus icon, then click the Content Market button. Scroll through the list until you see an option titled Echo 360 Media Embed Tool. Then, click on it. You will be taken to a screen where you can either select existing media from your Echo 360 library, record a new Echo 360 video to embed, or upload a video to Echo 360 to embed. In this instance, we'll be choosing existing media from our library. You will be brought to a page prompting you to choose the Echo 360 media that you would like to embed. You can search for an existing video by name, by filter, or by scrolling through the list. Once you have found your desired video, click on it to select it, then click the Next button in the bottom right corner. You will be taken to a screen where you can choose additional settings for your video if desired. Once your preferences are set, click the Embed button in the bottom right corner. Your video has now been successfully embedded into your Blackboard course.